Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And today is I think 22nd. It's Friday and we have INFLUENCERCON going on in Hyderabad. It's going to be there today and tomorrow. So yeah, I am going there. I got my ticket and I'm gonna show you guys around how it is and how my day goes. So I am all ready for it and I'm wearing this outfit. I will tell you all the details in my next haul. All of them. I think the footwear are from Centro. I'll just tell you that. And the pants are from Myntra. I'll tell you about the top in later of my videos. You will see yourself. And yeah, I'm wearing a pin. And these are my earrings. And that's how it is. Also, my viewfinder isn't working properly. As you can see, it's ulta. I mean, it's upside down. I can't see myself properly like this shot. I'm gonna cut so many people in the vlog, and I'm also gonna cut my head or my, you can't even see me properly, I guess. So yep, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Oops, I almost forgot about my bag. So this is from Latlive and this is how it looks. It's super transparent and I pretty much love it. It looks so classy. So we are here. I've reached the destination and I'm really scared to vlog in front of a lot of people. I mean, it's very awkward. So I'm gonna meet my friends and get back to you.
Definitely subscribe to her channel, and we're on the same color today. We're in yellow, so yeah, natchy. But definitely subscribe to her channel, and she's a really fun girl. Just met her, but subscribe to her.
Thank you. So sweet. Thank you.
Hello Ji and Kushu or whatever you like to call yourself. I like to call you beautiful, and hello to your vlog and to everybody watching it.
Thank you.
Rolling in the deep, yeah.
I loved it. I seriously loved it. Yeah, I love your speech. I mean,
Thank you, Sarojini. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Thank you.
Please subscribe to Kushu's channel. Subscribe, press the bell icon, comment and like.
Wow, they are like in some other level. Yeah, chalo ho gaya. We're just done with day 1 and I'm going back home. We were giving this pass, I didn't show you before, so this is the pass that we had to keep, and I think it's for 2 days. I met so many people. It was really nice. I met Sejal. I've actually waited for her for the whole day, the whole event. I was basically waiting for Sejal. It was really nice meeting all the creators. I met Sejal, I met Kushakapila, I met Sushant, I met Rajat, I met Rishabh and Sherry and a lot of people, even Dolly. I loved meeting all these people and talking, shared a lot of experiences of their own, and it was really inspiring. Now it comes to the end of day 1, so we're gonna go home now, and probably I got a lot of motivation to edit a video, so I think I'm gonna edit and upload the video today itself. So we're gonna come tomorrow again, and yep, I'm gonna bring you guys again tomorrow. See ya! Hey again. So I didn't really go to day 2 of INFLUENCERCON because there was not much of the events that were happening. It didn't really interest me, and also I had this really bad throat infection going on at that point of time, so I didn't really attend at the day 2, so there's no footage of that as the reason. So yep, I am editing today. Today is 2 days later, INFLUENCERCON. I was editing this vlog and I realized I didn't really end it, so I thought I should. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Listen to Sherry, listen to Sejal and everybody and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, do hit that like button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.